Hello there, I am Praveen Mishra, Dean of Vijay Bhumi School of Design. I would like to take a few minutes of your time talking about how to design a school of design. There are hundreds of definitions of design and creativity, and none of them are really wrong. But I can point out what prevents you, me, or anyone else from being a good designer or a creative problem solver. You know what is that? It's habit. Yes, habit. It puts our minds into a rut or a groove or a hole. And we keep digging ourselves into it and never get out of it. But the truth is, the solution may lie just a few feet away from our safe and traditional thinking hole. Now let's talk about our new design school. Already, the established design schools have started incorporating the new technologies and systems into their curriculum. It's a good thing. But it's a slow and tedious process because they are tied down with their legacy, with their tradition and their habitual way of doing things. At Vijay Bhumi School of Design, we have no such baggage. We are new and our thinking is quite different. We are looking at a future that's so fantastic. It looks like a science fiction even by today's amazing realities. Our aim is to develop design leaders, courageous young people who think innovatively, who can stand on the shoulders of tradition and build a whole new world, a world that they have not even imagined was possible. Yes, it's an ambitious objective. Yes, it means throwing away blueprints even if they have led to massive successes in the past. Yes, it means bringing in trainers and mentors who are radical thinkers and practitioners. And yes, it means putting together a curriculum which has a holistic blend of theory and practice. And not just in the field of design, but getting inspired by unique learnings from business, from law, from data science, from artificial intelligence, and from liberal arts. In other words, we won't be digging deeper into the hole, but we'll be digging somewhere else to discover the vein of sparkling gold. And all this will happen in an environment which I don't think I need to talk about. As you can see, it's all around me. This is Mother Nature at her happiest. Here, we will sow the seeds of path-breaking ideas and innovations. Because all great design is inspired by nature. I believe in this. And I hope you believe in it too.